Hi, this is the 17th part of this series. In this part, I will talk further about layer masking. In my previous video, I showed you how to use layer masking and what are the benefits and advantages of using layer masking instead of selection tools and other selection techniques in Adobe Photoshop. If you haven't seen my previous video, make sure you have seen it. In this part, I will talk further about layer masking, but I will be refining some edges, like as you know that there are black and white colors in the mask, so I will refine the white borders of the mask with the help of different techniques. Other than this, I will also talk about how to use layer masking with the help of colors and with the help of different other techniques. Okay, so let's start. First, you can see that this is an image which I'm gonna select the cat image, and this is on the default background layer. What I will do is I will select this tool, okay, magic wand tool, and select the cat hole. Press shift and select the cat including its eyes and each and everything. Okay, so if you don't know how to use this magic wand tool, make sure you have seen my video on selections. Okay, so let's click on it, press shift in order to activate the plus icon on it. Okay, so I think that's great. So there is nothing within this cat that is not being selected, so you can see that this area have been selected. I want to make the mask of it, but before that I want to make sure that if the selected area is smoothly defined or not. In order to do it, what I need to do, keep this selection and click on this refine edge. Okay, you can see that a new dialog box has been opened. Now you can clearly see that there are some ups and downs in the selection around the border of this cat. We can also view this in another modes as well, like this is the default, this is the black and white. I want to smoothen this view. Okay, so let's activate the smart radius. Okay, but before that let's click on black in order to see if the selection have been worked perfectly or not. So increase the radius. You can see that the borders of the cat are being smoothened. Okay, so I think that's pretty much fine. If you want to use another technique, let's bring it back to 0 and click right here. Make sure this button have been clicked, and if you hover your cursor on this canvas, you can see the plus icon within the circle. Now if I keep on clicking around the border of this cat, you can see that it is automatically smoothing the border of this cat. Okay, so you can see that how well it is doing here. Okay, so you can see that this is the blackish area is the area that have not been selected. If I go to the black and white, okay, if I go to the on black, you can see that these uh, feathers of cat, the hairs are also being selected. Okay, we can also do it. Let's press Ctrl Z, Ctrl Alt and Z. It will not work because this refine edge window have been opened. Okay, but you can also do it like smooth edges. If you haven't done it with this brush tool, you can also do it with the different values, because this brush will have some default values and it will do it automatically. If you want to make things in your custom values, you can change the feathers, you can see that, and you can change the smoothness, contrast and something other in order to select this area. Now what we need to do is, you can see that the output to value is set to be selected. Alright, if I click OK, then this cat area will be selected with the smoothened borders, and later on we can add mask on it. But if we want to apply mask directly, what I need to do, I need to go right here and click on layer mask. Okay, it will keep selection and it will also create the layer mask as well. Okay, you can see that it has created the layer mask around it. If I haven't clicked on that layer mask, then I needed to click this button in order to create this mask icon on it. Okay, and now later on I can do other stuff as well. If I need to bring something back, I can do it by drawing some blackish color on it. Okay, I'm removing some part of the cat. Okay, let's remove its mustache. Okay, so it's pretty well. So let's create a new layer, bring it down, and change its background color. Okay, so you need to take care of the comparison of the feathers of this cat and the background. You can see that it's not looking pretty well. I need to make it a bit darker. Okay, so I think that's looking pretty well. So you need to make sure take care of these things. Okay, so that was all. Now next thing that I want to show you that how to make layer masking and the selection with the help of color range. Okay, let's control Z. Okay, right click here and delete layer mask. Now our cat is back. Now click on this layer 0 and select and click on color range. Okay, so what you need to do, you can select any particular area. I've already explained in my previous video uh, that how to select any particular area of image based on colors. Okay, so this is what all about. I have to click on the sampled color if I want to select any particular area that is available inside the image. From these colors I can check this colors as well, but I want to select custom. Okay, sampled colors. So what I need to do right now, this whitish area will be selected if I click OK. Okay. Alright, now let's click on this plus icon so that it also keep on selecting. It's pretty well. Make sure you click on different other things. It's not selecting some part of the cat, so let's select the yellow color. Okay, if I click right here, you can see that it has selected the yellow color, but some part of its body as well, because some shade of yellow are also included in the cat hairs. Okay, so let's click OK, but before proceeding further, let's decrease the fuzziness. Alright, so you are seeing that how well it is applying the selection on this cat image. Previously it was at the center. It means that it will also select the colors that are near to the area that we have clicked on. If we want to select any particular area of image that is belonging to the exact color that we have clicked on, then we should decrease its value. Okay, now let's select right here as well. Okay, so you can see that only the eyes are being selected. Alright, again, as we did in the refine edge tab, we can also do it quick mask. It will automatically create a quick mask with it. So you can see that the eyes are being selected from this image. Okay, not completely. Let's add right here as well. Okay, so press shift so that the plus icon with this eyedropper tool will be activated, and another part of the cat's eye will be selected as well. Now I will click OK. Alright, now I will click on this button, so the eyes will be selected. Alright, you can see that the eyes are being selected. Now if I want to bring back the complete eyes, the retina as well, what I need to do, I need to click on brush tool, click right here, and I think that will be well. So you can see that it is bringing back the parts of eyes from this cat image. So guys, this was all for this part of this tutorial series. If you have any question, please comment below and thumbs up this